Good morning, students. Here is Jitendra Kumar, your mathematics teacher from Guda International School, Kudagod, Junjunu, Rajasthan. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is HCF. What is the full form of HCF, beta? H is highest common factor. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, and we also say that beta GCD, greatest common divisor. These are the full form of HCF and GCD. GCD and HCF is the same thing, both are the same thing. Okay, so by which methods we find HCF? There are two methods, beta. By factorization method we find the HCF, and second by division method we find the HCF. I will discuss how we find the HCF by both the method in this video we are going to discuss. Okay, next thing in this topic, that is LCM, lowest common multiple. L is here, lowest, and C for common, and M for here, multiple. So I hope you understand full form of HCF, GCD, and by which method we find the HCF, and full form of LCM, lowest common multiple. Again there are two methods, same methods, by factorization and by division method. We also find the LCM. Okay, in this video we discuss both these things. Okay, I hope you understand well this thing. Okay, let's start with the help of question. How we find HCF by factorization method? How we find HCF by factorization method? I take a simple example, beta. Just question and find the HCF by factorization process of 20, 24 and 36. There are three digits are given. Find the HCF. What we given to be find out? HCF. By which method, beta? First method, that is factorization. First we factorize 20 by 2. 10 beta, divide 20 by 2. Then divide 10 divided by 2, 5. Then 5 by 5, 1. Then 24 we factorize by 2, 12. If we divide 2, 12 by 2, 6. Then by 2, 3, then by 3, 1, and 36 by 2, 18, by 2, 9, and 3 by 3, 1. By this method we factorize. Okay, in this question now what is given to be find out HCF. First we write the factor of 20, beta. Factor of 20, 2 into 5. 24 factor, 2 into 3. And then 36 factor, 2 into 3. Okay? HCF. What is your HCF? By factorization method. Better that common digit in all, that we take one time. 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So we take 1, 2. Okay. Then 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. Then we take 2. Then here 3, but not in first. Okay. So we will not take. Remaining digit that common in all these 3. If 3 terms are given, then common in all 3. 4 terms given, then common in all 4. that digit we write in HCF and in multiplication we write. Okay, if here 5 in remaining it is not, here 3 but it is not in first, then we not take it. Okay, so what is your HCF? 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. I hope you understand well this factorization method to find the HCF. Next is by division method how we find the HCF. Division method, I also take here 2 digits. Question 144. What is your first digit? 144. Next 180 and next 192. Find the HCF again and write now by which method? By division method. By which method beta? Second method or by division method. This time we discuss by division method. In previous question we discussed by factorization method. So here see beta one digit you write inside. Here what is the smallest digit? Always we write outside. 144 outside, and next digit that's your choice. Which one you want you write inside. Then divide. 144 1 ja 144. Because you know very well 144 2 ja 14 2 ja 28. 288 that is greater than 180. Then subtract 6. Then here 7 minus 4 3. Then 144. 36 4 ja 4 6 ja 24 to carry 4 3 ja 12 and 2 14 means 144 is completely divisible by 36. Again I repeat it again. 144 1 ja 144 subtract 36. Then here we write the symbol of divide beta and this digit we write inside it. Okay, then by which multiple? Just count the table of 36. 36 4 ja 144. From here beta third digit is left, so we write third digit inside the bracket. And here by which number this digit is divisible? Here is 36, so we divide it by 36. Okay, then 36 5 are 180, 5 6 5 are 13. Okay, 3 carry 5 3 are 15 and 3 180. Subtract. How much left? 12. Okay, then here after 12 we write the symbol of divide, and this digit previous divisor is right now your dividend. 12 3s are 36. And here. So what is your HCF comes from here? 12. If I hope you understand well beta. If you not understand any video, then please see video 2 times or 3 times. Okay. Next thing is in this video beta, this method we find here HCF by division method. If we find the same question by factorization method, then same answer comes beta. Okay. Maybe your choice by which method you apply, by factorization or by division. In both the methods we find the same answer. I hope you understand this solution of HCF question. Do all these questions in your fair notebook because all these questions are from your exercise. Okay. Next is LCM. Next is LCM beta. LCM by question. LCM of we write any 2 numbers or 3 numbers like 24, 36 and 40. 24, 36 and 40 by which method? By prime factorization. Okay. By first method, Just factorize 24 beta. By 2 if we divide, by 2 3 and then by 3 1. Then 36. By 2 18. By 2 9. Divide it by beta. By these prime numbers you divide. Then you divide 40. Divide 40 by 2. Then 20 quotient. Then divide by 2. 20 10. Then divide by 2 5. Then by 5 1. Okay. Then write the factors. 24 factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Then 36 factor. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 40 factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then we write the LCM. LCM of 24, 36 and 40. That common digit we write one time. Means from here we write here 2. Next from here, from these two, 3 2's we write one time in multiplication. And we write here multiplication. Then here 2 beta, in second term there is no 2, and in 40 factorization also, in the prime factor of 40 there is also 2. From these 2 we write only 1 2. Then here 3 and here 3. We write 1 time 3. Then this 3 is left and 5 is left. We also write in multiplication. Means हमारे पास में जो सिंगल अपने पास में बेटा सिंगल जो तीनों में था उसको सिर्फ आपको एक बार लिखा. Again that 2 is in common in all 3. Then we write. Then in remaining 2 is here and here. So from these 2 we write only 1 time. 3 is here and here also. We write this 3. Then this 3 is left. We write in multiplication. 5 left. Then we write in 5 in multiplication. Okay. Then try to make easy multiplication. 5 to the 10. For 10 write 0. No carry beta. Just 5 to the 10. Then 2 to the 4. 3 3 are 9. And 4 9 are 36. So what is your LCM? I hope you understand. Your LCM is 360. Next is beta. Next beta LCM. By which method? By division method. We discuss the LCM. Means find the LCM. Find LCM. LCM of 12, 18 and 27. 12, 18, 27 by division method. By which method? Division method. Means second method. In division method we write all these in single factorization. Okay beta? And then we divide it. Here 2 digits are divisible by 2. First we divide by 2. 6 and divide by 18 by 2. 9. Then 27 is not divisible. Then we write as it is. Then again by 2. 3. Then 9. Then 27. Then by 3. 1. 3. 27 divided by 3. 9. Then by 3. 1. 1. 3. Then again by 3. 1. 1. 1. So what is your LCM beta? LCM 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay? 3 2 to the 4. 3 3 are 9. 9 3 are 27. Okay? And 27 4 are 108. You know very well. So this one is your LCM by which method? By division method. Okay? Multiply, that's your choice. How you multiply? 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 2 are 54, 54 into 2 108. Same answer comes. Okay beta? This is the LCM by second method. Next beta, there is one relationship between numbers and HCF and LCM. There is one relationship between the numbers and HCF and LCM. If two numbers are given, how many numbers? Two numbers. Two numbers are given, any two numbers like 4 and 6. any, you will write any two numbers. In two numbers beta, product of two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and LCM. दो नंबर्स की प्रोडक्ट हमेशा एलसीएम और एचसीएफ के इक्वल होगी. ओके, अगर आपको यहां से एचसीएफ फाइंड आउट करना है, देन व्हाट यू राइट, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट नंबर इनटू सेकंड नंबर मींस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर डिवाइड बाय एलसीएम. अगर आपको यहां से एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है, इफ यू फाइंड एलसीएम फ्रॉम हियर, देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स डिवाइड बाय एचसीएफ. एंड इफ यू फाइंड फर्स्ट नंबर, देन व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला, एचसीएफ इनटू एलसीएम divide by second number. And if you find second number from here, then HCF into LCM divide by first number. I hope you understand well beta. See this 3 times, 2 times and 3 times, then you are able to find out or to solve exercise 2.7. But this formula only for 2 numbers beta, only for 2 numbers. Okay, not for 3 numbers, 4 numbers or more than 3. It is applicable only for 2 numbers. I hope you understand well this video. See it 2 times or 3 times. Okay, and submit your work in School Log app. Thank you. Have a nice day.